Hold up, you won't believe how good this one actually is. This item's been going viral for weeks, and for a good reason. The performance matches the hype, and the quality feels top tier. You can find all the details in the description. Go take a look before it's gone. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and feels like something that should cost way more. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Don't wait too long. Check the link in the description before it sells out. Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Hold up, you won't believe how good this one actually is. This item's been going viral for weeks.